Good evening, everyone. This is Pranita. Today I am here to say about a concept of C, which is dynamic memory allocation. Memory allocation is the block of information in a memory system. Memory allocation has two types: static memory allocation and dynamic memory allocation. Memory allocation process begins with a local variable followed by free memory, global variable, and then the program instructions and static variable. Global variable, program instructions, and static variable are considered as permanent storage area. The static memory allocation and dynamic memory allocation has the main difference during the time of their allocation to the memory. Static memory allocates the memory at compile time with fixed determination before the program, whereas the dynamic memory allocates the memory at runtime, which is more flexible, that can be changed during the program execution. Coming to the key functions of dynamic memory allocations, we have malloc function, calloc function, realloc function, and free function. Malloc function. Malloc function allocates a specified number of bytes of memory and returns a pointer to the first byte of the allocated memory. If memory allocation fails, it returns null. The program for malloc function is displayed here. Coming to the calloc function also allocates memory for an array of elements and initializes them to 0. It returns a pointer to the allocated memory or returns null. We have the syntax and program of calloc displayed. Thereafter comes realloc function, which is mainly used for changing the size of already allocated memory block. It adjusts the size of the memory block and returns a pointer to the newly allocated memory or returns null. The last function we see is the free function. The free function frees the previously allocated memory. It releases the memory, allowing it to be reused. The syntax for free function is void free void star ptr. Thank you.